What's up, internet? It's Devin down here at Sherwood Dodge. We just got in a 2021 Ram 1500 Limited in ivory tri-coat. It's got the sport appearance package all the way around. Of course, it's got your sensors. Absolute gorgeous truck. Powered by the legendary 5.7 liter Hemi. Great on fuel. This one is equipped with the air ride suspension as well. You got your 22-inch wheels here. Gorgeous truck all around. Keyless entry, blind spot monitoring. Inside you will find heated and ventilated front and rear seats, power passenger and driver seat, 12-inch screen equipped with nav, backup camera, like I said, 360 camera as well. Let's check out the back really quick. There's tons of spaces in these new body style Rams. So you have all the space in the back, all your storage underneath as well. Of course, your Ram bin storage too, which is removable. I'm sure you've seen it in the previous videos. You got your sensors in the rear. You have your soft open tailgate. You got your vent utility group giving your lights and all your tie downs back there. Of course, your box liner. New to the 2021s is the digital rear view mirror. So you can flip it where it acts as almost like a backup camera, or you can have the regular mirror. It's totally up to you. If you guys are interested in this truck or any of the other trucks we have on the lot, give us a call or comment below. Again, it's Devin at Sherwood Dodge.